So I've been working on this Mercedes. It's a 2014 C250. It's been giving me drivability issues, check engine lights, stuff like that. So I decided to remove this aftermarket device I found that somebody installed. And I wasn't sure what it was, but I knew if there was something installed extra because of I first saw the connection on the battery, and then I started looking at all this stuff. This was just laying beside the battery. And it's hard to make out this logo, but I think it's UID Racing. Hard to tell. But I thought it was some sort of GPS tracker or disabler or something like that. But after looking at it, where it goes, I think it's some sort of performance enhancer, or supposedly. Because it went to the idle air control valve, the mass airflow sensor, the MAP sensor, and the air temperature sensor on the intake. And I believe what it was trying to do was fool the engine into making more power or something like that. I don't think it was one of those things that they install to immobilize the engine if you quit paying your payment, which was what I thought it was at first. But I don't think they would go to all that trouble to hijack all these sensors for that when they could just interrupt the starter or something like that. So I believe this is some sort of aftermarket gadget to somebody put on here to try and get more power out of this poor little car. So I'm looking at this device here. It's got like an octopus here. This is the wiring loom that goes to the power. Then it splits here, and then it splits again. So I got 4 cables here. And it looks like it intercepts these connectors from the factory and inserts their own. There's that one here for that, and there's one down here. I'm gonna have to look into that, see where that goes. And then this looks like it goes over to maybe the mass airflow sensor. So it turns out this thing is made by Vivid Racing. It's hard to really read that logo. I was thinking it was UID Racing, but I just happened to see that logo on something when I was searching on the internet, and it actually is Vivid Racing. I called Vivid Racing. They have no idea what this thing is. They don't list any parts like this for my car anymore. I guess they discontinued it. And they also don't know what the part number is there that I see. So yeah, they just own it, and so do I. I'm going to use it for the connectors. That's about it.